looks a bit thin on one side.
Measure the other side then.
Hi guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. You're joining us at a bit of a different start to a video today, as we're in the daily driver, a little Mercedes A250. So for the first time in a long time, we're getting reunited with our Porsche 911SC Targa. It's arrived in Melbourne. It actually arrived a day early, so it was here yesterday, but we're going to pick it up this morning. First off, we're off to Zuffin house. We're going to drop the daily there, and we're going to get an Uber to go pick up the SC. Kind of hoping that's going to go well. It's always had a bit of a battery leak, so it spent a couple of days on a truck. So I'm hoping when we turn the key, it actually starts. It's then going back to Zuffin house. It's going to get a service check over and registration prep before we get some new number plates for it. Hopefully, when we get there, there'll be no issues and the car will start straight away, but let's keep our fingers crossed for that. We're picking up the 911SC. We're not too sure if it was going to start, so we've got a jumper pack, but we've heard some rumours she is going to be okay. Dirty, but she's going in for a little bit of a love and attention soon, so that shouldn't be an issue. Here she is, she's all clean and ready. Got the camera bag in the front. She is in neutral, so let's just check that. There is a rumour that she will start. That's always been a bit of a problem and a pain. I think we broke that one day on a racetrack, so I probably need to get that fixed. But I'm hearing she starts. So here we go. First time. Listen to that. She is ready to go. There she is. So we're gonna hop in her and take her off and have a look underneath her at Zuffin house. So we're back at Zuffin house. We've driven it all the way back. The only description I've got for it, it sounds like it's got a waterfall. Before we put it on the ramp, we'll check the oil because I think the sender is stuck.
Oh right.
So
flat out.
So it looks like it's flat out oil. I'm not sure it actually is. Be worth checking the oil, because I'm not, I think the sender's stuck. Oh yeah. Oh, it's all the way up. It's all the way up.
Well, it's maxed out. Right to the... Huh? It's right to the max level and it's not really dippy.
So it's just perhaps a little bit overfull.
It's a little bit full.
A little bit full, but we can fix that.
Yeah. That's an easy fix.
That's an easy fix.
She sounds like she runs okay.
Yeah.
She pulls okay. There is this strange waterfall sound.
Is it in the doors?
It sounds. Have a sit in and see if you can hit perhaps the other side. Yeah. We'll shut you in, see if you can hear the waterfall. So I think that's a yes. I don't know what that is, but we've definitely got a waterfall in the car. I've only really kind of noticed it coming back a little bit. Right. So you think it might just be the oil?
It sounds like something going on down the oil line.
Yeah.
The front oil.
It's not, because obviously when I was driving it back, I was like, is that a sound of something gushing out?
Well, you're not moving, so the only thing that's moving is the oil.
Yeah. Like the clutch is a bit dodgy.
Yeah, there's not much left of it.
But it might just be, it needs adjustment, doesn't it?
That's the first thing you try and
yeah.
See what's like. Is this going up, Kane?
Alright, we'll put her up. Up on the ramp she goes. This has sat a lot longer than the 930. Wayne has done a brilliant job looking after it, but sitting an old Porsche for a long time, could be a bit of an issue. We could just stick that in it, I guess. So here we go, moment of truth.
Area. Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Just have a general look over it.
Jesus.
We're kind of hoping it's straight underneath. It's a bit grubby. Potentially some may say rusty. So here we go, we're under the SC. We've got a couple of leaks. We might have one here on the plate. There might be one up there that we've got to bond or something there. There might be one here on the gearbox plate. So there's one there. Their headers are completely buggered. I think is a technical description of how they are. Let's see there, they are rusty, so they need doing. There we go. I can't point the camera and talk at the same time apparently. There we go, so they have seen better days. What else did we have? We're going to check the brakes because we only want to do those once. There might be another leak around here somewhere that we're going to take a bit of a look at. There's that plate. It is leaking a little bit, so hopefully that's okay. So I'm kind of thinking the leaks might not be in bad spots for us to fix, which doesn't need an engine drop. The suspension, that will need some attention, but we'll talk about that later. There's the front brakes. So she needs a little bit of love. It might be the thermostat while we've got a like a waterfall sound in the car. She is bang on full, so we'll drop a little bit of oil out of her. But generally, no accidents, clean chassis.
Where the steel sleeve is had.
She is pretty good. Alright, obviously there, the boot on the suspension is completely rooted. There it is rusted through as well. So we might just check. I think we've got an oil leak from the top that is trickling down, so we might have a bit of a look at that. Not too bad. Engine bay actually doesn't look too bad.
It wasn't the panel beater. It wasn't the panel beater, I can tell you.
What's that?
Yeah.
Oh,
it was in our garage,
okay.
and they do all kinds of stuff in the garage.
Yeah, looks like it's up here.
Yeah. What's it on?
Oil pressure sender, maybe the sender or the fitting that goes into the case.
Well, that's all right.
Yeah,
That's easy.
it's not so bad.
No, that's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Here's a
It
question.
started all right, did it, Scott? First thing,
First time.
far out.
When you do the sender, do you have to take the air conditioner off?
Yes.
So, I'm not sure we should put that back on.
That's all going.
I think that should go.
Okay.
There's the brakes. We're doing a roadworthy check. Do you think it would pass?
It's got a pad. It's got pads. That's a good start. Just to measure that up.
What's it got to be?
I'll have to have a look. It doesn't. It looks a bit thin on one side.
Measure the other side then.
This looks worse, Scott. Bloody hell.
Oh, that's a bit.
Look at this nice machine
That's
we've
a bit
got on here.
yeah, that's.
It's been chattering away.
It says minimum thickness 20 mil, and we got 18.
Well, we're done.
What's that one? That's just bugging.
Measure this one.
Measure.
17 and a half.
Nice.
Backs? Do you reckon we're good at the back, or do you reckon we're going to do all the way
They
around?
didn't look so tragic. They look bigger than the fronts.
Yeah.
Can you get it in?
Diameter
Minimum
Minimum.
should be similar.
Oh, it's in inches.
Oh.
Got the Yankee specs here.
Aftermarket.
Yeah. Well, we put it in inches, man. Tuck.
Tucky tuck.
I can send it. 0.90. 0.89, very close. Very close.
Right on, just.
That's a pass though. If I was at school, that would be a
Not
pass.
rub these down. Better not rub them down, mate.
Is this back one? I think this back one will
Better check this one too.
I think that one's easy passed. That's an easy pass.
Look at all this stuff.
0.90.
Easy. I've had a bit more of a chat. We're not going to do the rears. We're going to grey these ones up and paint them, and then we're going to zinc these so that this will be grey as per the factory, and this will be like a kind of goldy colour. We might try and find one of the cars down there to show you. We are going to do the front discs because they are low, so we're going to do those, but we're going to do the same grey paint and the anodising on them. There's a car down here that's just had it done. And can we see it? Yeah, so I think we can see there the kind of gold anodising on the brake caliper. We're going to get all that tidied up. And I think on this one we might be able to see, can you see the gold, the grey at the back? That's what it'll look like. And then the gold anodising there. So, the brakes will get a bit of an overhaul. The back ones are good, the discs for a little while. So we'll just get them tidied up. Kane's also going to check the master cylinder. There's a fuel line that needs to be replaced and some other bits and bobs. So here we go. We've just spotted this on the alternator. I think that might be moving a bit, although the brown is tight. Just down there, you can see it's actually scored in, and that has eaten away at that. So we're going to take this apart, take a look at it and see what happens. But that's it, we are all done with the 911SC Targa for a little while. It's going to be with Kane and Zuffin House for probably, I think, 2 weeks. They're going to do all the work, they'll get the roadworthy done, we'll get the Club Rego permit signed, and then I think she'll be on the road. There's a bit more of a story to go with this one, so stay tuned. So give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you later.